Hi, my name is Charles Xi. I'm a senior design architect in Cadence IPG. Today, I'd like to talk to you about functional safety in autonomous driving and the impact to IP design. I want to break down my talk into 3 sessions. In the first session, I will talk about the industry trend and requirements. In the second session, I will be discussing the benefit of impact of the ISO 26262 standard. In the last session, I will talk about specific features of our IPs and the benefit of those features. So let's get started. Recently, we're seeing the automotive industry is going through a revolution of autonomous driving. With that revolution, there's actually an increased requirement on functional safety. The SAE actually has broken down the autonomous driving into 6 levels, with level 0 being the lowest, and then level 1, and go on to all the way to level 5. So level 5 is being defined as full autonomous, and level 4 is being defined as high autonomous. The industry actually is going through a transition from level 3 vehicles being deployed today to the vehicles being developed for level 4 and 5. With that transition, the functional safety requirements have increased significantly. And this is because the complexity of the SoC have increased in the ADAS systems by deploying multiple sensors, by having a lot more complex hardware and software interaction. And also, the safety impact in the system have increased at 4 and 5 because the vehicles are mostly controlled by machines. And then any safety failure will result in fatality and lawsuit. So the liability of the OEMs have increased as well. So as a result, safety must be considered early in the design process. If we just use black box components that have not been developed for safety considerations, we will not be able to achieve the assurance of the safety. In the SoC system, we are dealing with multiple sensors, multiple processors, very complex memory hierarchy, and also a very complex data flow. Many places can go wrong. Take vision SoC, for example. If the sensor fails, we will not be able to detect the road or obstacles. But if the memory fails, we will not be able to have a stable system, and the ADAS application may crash. So as a result, the industry actually have to go through very complex practice in order to ensure the final safety goals of the system are accomplished. In the next session, I'm going to talk about specifically the ISO 26262 standard, the benefit and impact for the standard to have on the IP development. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.